Okay folks, John with Baker Boy. Another unique item that Baker Boy makes. This is our little yeast roll. It's just a little pre-baked, unsliced dinner roll. And again, it's another item that works perfect for catering and for all kinds of events. It stacks well, it holds well. You can do a lot of fun little things with it. Here I'm gonna go ahead and just prepare them, and I like to fill these rolls to make like a little hors d'oeuvre. I've got egg salad I'm just gonna use, but you can fill them with anything you wanna do. First thing I like to do is I've got warm melted butter here, and I just brush them with the butter. That really gives them a little bit more flavor. It helps them hold well. So if you're transporting them like in a catering rig or something like that, it'll keep them nice and moist when they're ready to be served. So go ahead and we'll egg wash them or butter them, whatever works. The butter works the better. There we go. And that's that. Now, go ahead and take a knife, and I cut the roll in a square fashion, just like this. Go ahead and cut a square, and then I just push that down. That's gonna be my little pocket that's gonna hold our fillings of whatever we wanna stuff this with. We've got our little square cut. Go ahead and take our egg salad. I use a pastry bag. You can use an ice cream scoop, whatever kind of product you're putting in there. And there you go. Go ahead and fill the center of the roll, and you've got your filled dinner roll. Okay, we've got our yeast rolls already filled and ready to go. You can also put these in the refrigerator and have them staged and ready to go to be served for your banquet or your catering event or whatever. And again, please contact us at bakerboy.com if you have any questions or any needs with Baker Boy products.